Does auto owner's insurance cover windshield replacement? Auto owner's insurance provides coverage for windshield repair and replacement under its comprehensive auto insurance policies. This coverage applies to damages resulting from non-collision incidents such as weather events, vandalism, theft, or animal collisions. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive insurance with auto owners covers damages to your vehicle that are not caused by collisions. This includes windshield damage from events like hailstorms, falling debris, or vandalism. To utilize this coverage, policyholders must have comprehensive insurance as part of their auto policy. Deductibles and state variations. Typically, a deductible applies to windshield repair or replacement claims under comprehensive coverage. However, certain states have specific regulations. Florida, Kentucky, and South Carolina. Insurers are required to waive the deductible for windshield repairs and replacements. Arizona, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Minnesota, and New York. Insurers must offer a full glass coverage option, allowing policyholders to select a $0 deductible for glass repairs. It's advisable to review your policy details and consult with your local agent to understand how these regulations apply to you. Filing a windshield claim. Auto owners makes the process of filing a windshield claim straightforward. Contact your local agent. Reach out to your independent auto owner's agent to report the damage. File online. Alternatively, you can file a glass claim online through the auto owner's website. Schedule repairs. Auto owners partners with services like Safe Flight Solutions and Quest Claims Service to facilitate repairs. You can choose to have repairs done at a shop of your choice or through these partnered services. Ensuring prompt repair of windshield damage is crucial for vehicle safety and can prevent minor chips from developing into larger cracks. Auto owners. Insurance offers comprehensive coverage options for windshield repair and replacement, providing policyholders with peace of mind and financial protection against unforeseen damages. To see the best offers on auto insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.